Now I know this isn't Newport, but that'll all make sense in a minute. My name's Riley. I'm from the Bellarine Railway, and we've been invited by Steamrail Victoria to attend the 2026 Newport Workshops Open Day. This year we're bringing something extra special, and that is a locomotive. So this is Klondyke. It's an industrial tank engine built by Perry Engineering in Adelaide for Victoria's State Rivers and Water Supply Commission in 1927. It's been to a lot of places in its life, including Tasmania, Queensland, the MCG, and for the first time, Newport Workshops as part of the 2026 Open Days. Get your tickets now and keep an eye on Steamrail Victoria's social media for more updates closer to the event.